Alright, this is the elevator at the other IKEA that I know in Vaughan, Ontario. This one has an indicator. Oh, it's a Schindler. It says up there. It's a Schindler. So this one has a brand. This one's a Schindler. My flashlight's on again. I don't know why. Here are two. Very much. The door open. Yeah, at least this one has an indicator this time. Why is the one button's broken? Look at the button. It's broken. Yeah, it just doesn't light up. Got a cab view. It sucks that my flashlight has to be on during the day, but I mean that's how it goes. Yeah, I don't know. It's just probably because it's dark outside. There's buttons. I guess we're not in a rush. Take one more ride. This one will just be an indicator. Yeah, luckily this time this one has an indicator. The other one kind of sucks because there's no indicator in it. And no, I want to head downstairs. Go down one. There's the upper one. Yeah, what's weird is just I don't know why my little flashlight's on. Wait, maybe I can figure something out. That's weird. I can't tell if my flashlight gone off or not. I'm not sure if this one's gonna close automatically. It should. It's a different elevator. I don't know. It's not closing. I can tell you that. Guess send it up. That's probably the only solution. I mean, it has to close it if it's going up. That's it.